All right, so we're continuing on with this problem. Now we're going to kind of explore a little bit more what we're actually seeing in this situation. So if I wanted to write these number of pie phones the store receives each week as a sequence, I would just list all of the different outputs. So I would have 100, 115, 132.25, 152.09, and 174.90, ... Now, is this arithmetic, geometric, or something else? We already know that we're multiplying by something to get from one term to the next, and we're multiplying by the same thing each time. So by definition, we know that that is geometric, which means we're going to have an exponential function that will model it. So the store needs to know how many phones to order for the last week of the year. If I know the number of pie phones sold in week 51, how would I be able to find the sales for week 52? Well, I would take whatever the number of pie phones sold in week 51 is, and I would multiply by 1.15, and that will give me the number of pie phones sold in week 52. Okay, so now we're actually going to write an explicit equation for this data. Remember, we talked about this in the last lesson. We said that for a geometric sequence, we can write our explicit equation as a times r to the nth power. Remember that a represents our zero term, and r represents our growth rate. Now, what we know in this problem is that the zero term is 100, and we know that the growth rate is 1.15. So I can write that equation, T of n, equals a, which is 100, times my growth rate of 1.15 raised to the n power. Now, remember what n stands for. N stands for the week. The T of n is how many phones you will need. So on this next question, how many pie phones will the store predict it will sell in the 52nd week? Well, that's just asking you to do T of 52. So I'm substituting in 52 for n. And then at that point, you would want to use your calculator. And you're going to find this ends up being quite a large number. So it ends up being 143,000, we'll say 313 phones, because we're going to need to round it since we can't sell a partial phone.